First Bank was established in 1907. We're the oldest financial institution in Wichita County. A lot has changed over the years in terms of the community lending landscape, but the one thing that's remained consistent and constant within the First Bank family is our culture. What we really feel is our feather in our cap is our small, intimate size. And so many companies in their efforts to grow have to sacrifice something, and a lot of times that's culture. So while yes, there is an emphasis placed on bottom line profitability, as with any company, we just refuse to grow to the point to where we have to sacrifice the culture and ultimately sacrifice the happiness of the people that make us so unique and special.
I'm Mandy Stanton. I'm the operations manager here at First Bank, and I have been here for 4.5 years now. I met Chuck Miller about 5 or 6 years ago. We were working at another mortgage company and we worked together on a team, and he ended up taking a leap of faith and coming here after much deliberation, and I was just his cheerleader and rooted him on because it seemed like such a wonderful opportunity for him. And lo and behold, he somehow managed to drag me with him, and I was his first hire, and I do not regret it one bit. I absolutely love coming to work every day.
We find it very important. It's one of our core values to have personal relationships. We aren't just pushing paperwork at First Bank. We want to have relationships with not only our clients, but our realtors and our home builders, the title companies, everybody that's involved in the transaction. A mortgage, while it is a financial transaction, it's a very personal transaction, especially in today's market. As much information as we require from people, you have to have someone's confidence. You've got to have their trust, and having us there locally where they can stop in and say hi, when they can stop in and meet us face to face.
All of our ops staff, from beginning to end, every single one of them is very special, and they genuinely care about each transaction, not just for the customer and the realtor, but for our loan officers. We care about our loan officers. So if a problem arises, the processor will do whatever he or she needs to do. They'll probably be right here in my office, and we'll try to work through it together. We'll grab the underwriter, sit down with him, work through it. We have very close relationships with our third-party vendors, and so we'll pick up the phone and reach out to them. And if it's a doable situation, then we will absolutely do everything we can to close that loan.
We don't want to forget the human aspect of working here. We're all individuals, we're all people. So on a regular basis, we'll do events like we'll go to baseball games, we'll go to soccer games, we'll go to events outside of the office. The management really encourages that, and they'll set those kinds of activities up.
Just because it helps our ops staff get to know each other on a more personal level, and we get to see each other's children grow and get to know each other's spouses who we're going home to each night, and it just helps us keep that close-knit family feel.
The feedback that we get from customers regarding their experience is that the personalized service is really what separates us from the competition. If a customer has an issue or a question that needs to be addressed immediately, we can walk down the hall, talk to an underwriter, get them an answer within just a handful of minutes, and provide that customer with the feedback that they need in order to make a good informed decision.